Hey guys, so I haven't been on YouTube for over a week now, but that is because I have been in Hawaii for this past 8 days. So I've really put business aside and haven't really done any work. Haven't been responding to any messages or anything. So I'll be sure to respond to everyone who's sent me emails and messages as soon as I get home as of February 1st. So I just wanted to kind of give you guys some perspective of what you can get to with selling on Amazon and with growing your Amazon business because literally I have not worked in the last 8 days and my business has just been completely running itself. And that's the great thing about Amazon FBA, and that's the great thing about the Fulfillment by Amazon program because it will basically let you run your business on autopilot. Now, I haven't been purchasing inventory. My virtual assistants have still been finding profitable products for me to sell, but I haven't purchased any of those in the last week, which is fine because I wanted to take a break when I came here to Hawaii. So, sorry, I know it's kind of hard to see me. It's a little cloudy out today, but overall, I've had pretty good weather since being here in Hawaii. But let's just show you guys my sales over the last 7 days. So in the last 7 days, I've sold $71,387 in Canadian dollars, and in US that is 53,828. So basically, this trip cost me about $15,000. Staying at one of the nicest resorts here in Kauai on the Hawaiian island, and basically it cost me about $15,000. And this was like supposed to be a really nice vacation. Everything's been great, but the amazing part is I've literally paid for my vacation while I've been here with selling on Amazon, plus made profit. So that just shows you guys where you can get to. You can go on these luxury vacations, you can do all these sorts of things and still come out profitable even after paying for your whole vacation. So let's go to the last 30 days. It's actually been surprisingly good over the last 30 days. I've done 195,000 in sales in Canadian dollars, and once again I'll switch that to, not sure why it's saying 7 days, but it is 30 days. And in US dollars it is 147,000. So basically almost 200,000 Canadian in the last 30 days, and that the majority of that is coming from Amazon.com. I'm doing a full push into Amazon.com right now and not really focusing too much on Amazon.ca. So as you can see, the Amazon.ca numbers are slowing down a little bit, but that's fine because I'm really focusing on the US market. I want to hit over $2 million in sales this year on Amazon.com, and I'm well on pace to do that. So yeah, like I said, just wanted to kind of make a quick update video for you guys, tell you where I've been and why I haven't been posting because I've been out of town, but still here for a few more days, so going to make the most of it. Did a cool ATV tour yesterday, and then we're going to see what we're going to do for the next few days, probably just hang out by the beach and stuff like that. But yeah, I just wanted to kind of show you guys what I do and how I can basically work from anywhere in the world, but also not even have to work and still make, let's see, in the last 7 days, 71,000 in sales, let's say 30% profit margin. So that's about 21,000 profit in a week, Canadian dollars. So let's go US. So I know a lot of viewers are from the US, and 7 days, so 53,000. So about 15,000 US, just over that. And then in the last 30 days, US about 45,000, and Canadian dollars about 60,000. So as you can see, you can make a lot of money with this business. You have to have a lot of upfront investment to grow to this point, because I have probably almost $1 million in inventory right now. So like when it's constantly cycling through at 200,000 a month, you're constantly rebuying inventory and reinvesting your profits, and that's the only way you're able to really grow this business, is by reinvesting your profits and constantly not wasting your money on going, say you make 30,000 after your first year and you go and buy a nice car with that or something, and you don't reinvest those profits into Amazon, your business is never going to grow because you're going to start from square one again. So you have to be reinvesting your profits, and eventually one day when you're going to get out of the business or try to sell your business off, then you can really reap in those probably millions of dollars in profits and just keep that all and retire or whatever you want to do with it. But when you're actually running the business itself, it's very intensive in revenue that has to be reinvested. It's very what's the word I'm looking for? It's very capital intensive. So basically, you need a lot of capital in order to make a lot of money in this business. So that's why anyone can start this business, and I offered my FBA Freedom course where I teach you literally everything that you need to know to grow your business to 6 or 7 figures in revenue per year. And the thing with that is, if you don't reinvest your profits, then you're really not going to make much in this business, because you need a lot of inventory in order to make a lot of money. So as we can see, I've done 608 units, I believe. It's kind of hard to see, but in the last 30 days. And in the last 15 days, I've done 146,000. I don't know why I keep switching, but I've done 146,000 in the last 15 days. So it's really picking up this last 15 days. And if I can keep this on pace, then I'm going to well hit my $2 million on Amazon.com goal for this year. And I'm going to consistently grow that year over year. But there's a few ways that I do this, that I'm able to run this business and grow this business each and every year. And I teach those methods in my course. I've put a link in the description for the course below. It's currently sitting at $9.97, and I'm thinking within the next few months, I'm going to be putting that price up again, because I'm getting a lot of people joining and not really putting anything into action. They're joining the course and then kind of just not really knowing where to go, or not really actually putting the stuff that they're learning into action. And I don't want to see people do that. I want people who are my students to succeed. I want them to actually grow their own Amazon businesses. So that's why I'm going to likely be putting my price up again, probably to around $1,500, because the more that people invest in themselves, the more that they're going to actually put it into action. And that's what I want everyone to be able to do, is put their Amazon business into action and actually be able to make money from the comfort of their own home, and be able to live a lifestyle like this, where you can literally be living anywhere in the world, not having to ask for time off, and be able to still be making profit while after paying for like a luxury vacation like this. So I hope this video helps you guys and kind of puts everything into perspective about the potential of selling on Amazon FBA and the actual FBA program itself, how it will literally do everything for you. I have one customer message. Like, I'm not getting messages really anymore at all, because basically Amazon handles all the customer service. So I'm not having to deal with the customers anymore. And because of last year I was selling FBM and FBA, but this year I'm strictly selling FBA, and you don't have to deal with customers. So, and that's the other thing, is a lot of people are like, well, you actually have that much in inventory? You actually have almost $1 million in inventory? And it's like, yes, I've sold $200,000 in the last 30 days, and that is all from FBA. So I had to purchase that inventory first in order for it to be able to be sold. So there's no question that this business model works, that the online arbitrage business model works. I do a little bit of wholesale, but 90% of my sales are from online arbitrage. So it definitely can be done. People are always like, well, how do you sell that much in online arbitrage? Don't you get limited and stuff? Yeah, but I teach everyone in my course how to get around these limits, how to be able to purchase as much inventory as you basically possibly can, to be able to resell on Amazon and constantly be able to replenish that inventory. And yeah, it's definitely a good business model, and it's really worked for me, and I hope that I can help some of you guys out there grow your Amazon FBA businesses, or start your Amazon FBA businesses to eventually grow to this point. So thanks so much for watching, and if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe for more.